Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today we have a very simple job we're going to do if you know how to get it out. We're going to change the light bulbs in a light fixture that's up on the ceiling. So the first thing you do is just get a chair or a step stool or something, of course. And there's different ways that light fixtures are held up. This particular light fixture is held up by this piece right on the bottom right here. Otherwise there would be little screws up inside here, but that's not the case. So the first thing you want to do is hold the light fixture, the globe portion of it, and unscrew the bottom and take off the lock nut with a decorative lock nut, like that. We'll take this little cap here off, and as you can see the globe is still held up there. Just hold the globe with your hand, and this little lock nut here, you're going to turn it counterclockwise to remove it, and hold the globe up so it doesn't come falling down on you. And of course, I don't have to tell you this, but don't lose it because you do need to use this over again. Watch how it comes off because that's the way it's going to go back on. The lock nut itself is shaped differently. This has a little bit of a piece sticking up, and this has little fingers on this side of it that you actually grip to tighten on. Alright, then you grab the globe and just pull the globe down. And then you can unscrew your light bulbs. And you can replace them with whatever wattage you choose. Okay, you just take your replacement light bulbs and you screw them in there. You don't have to make them real tight, you're just going to turn them till they feel snug. And you probably want to test them before you put your globe back up. Okay, now remember how you took your wing nut or your lock nut on there. We have the wings facing down and this piece facing up. So we just put this up here nice and loosely. Hold it with your one hand, of course. Now when you put this nut up here, you don't want to tighten it real tight because you don't want to crack it or break the glass itself. So you just bring it up until it touches into it and it's nice and tight and you have no movement in there. Then you put your cover over the top like this and you screw your cap on the end of it. And that's it, you're all set. Alright, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.